How to edit trending Money Rain videos like this? Using the CapCut app. Check this out. First of all, create a new project in your CapCut app. Then add your video or photo. And also add your other photos. After that, add the trend song Money Rain. You can get it in the comments below. Next, trim your first video or photo clip right at this part of the song. Bringing the duration to 4.7 seconds. For the second photo clip, adjust the length according to the length of the song. Then open the Style menu. Select the 3D Zoom Pro effect, and then wait a few moments. Okay, next, tap on this transition menu. Go to the camera category. Select the pull-in effect. And set the duration to 0.5 seconds. After that, right on the second photo clip, open the effects menu. Tap video effects. Look at the party category. Select the strobe effect. Then set the length as well. Okay, until here the steps are complete. Now, let's take a look at the end result. By the way guys, if you don't have time to edit, you better use the Money Rain CapCut template, whose link I have written in the comments. And that's step by step how to edit trending Money Rain videos using the CapCut app. I hope this video was useful. See you in the other upcoming CapCut video tutorials. And thanks for watching.